Good day, learners. Today we are going to study about binomial expansion using Pascal's triangle. So our problem is expand 2x minus 3y to the fifth power. Let's first draw our Pascal's triangle until the fifth here. This one is the fifth. So first we have a triangle here. Now you have a point. Draw a vertical imaginary point here and let the distance, the length of this from here is equal to the length of this one to here. So this is almost like an isosceles triangle. Then we have horizontal lines, more or less they are equally spaced. Then first we put the 1 here. On the very top we have the 1. Everything here will be 1. That will be the last here, point here, 1. 1 here. That is the numerical coefficient of the last term. Now here, the first term numerical coefficient will be also 1. And then we have our triangle. We have 1. All of them are 1 on the side. And 1 also on the side here. So we are not going to use the 1, 1, 1 here. So let's start. 1 and 1. We add 1 plus 1. And then we write the 2 here. Center here. Center. Okay, after 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we have 1 plus 2 is 3. So we put 3 in between 2 and 1. So we have 3 here. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Put here. Okay. And the next is this one. In between 1 plus 3 is 4. Then the 4 will be here. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the 6 is here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we write 4 here. This one is 1 plus 4 is 5 here in between, directly below. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 is here. 6 plus 4 is again 10. And then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 here. This triangle here, 1, 1, and 1 is not used. We start from the 2. So this one is 4a plus b is squared, the square of binomial. The third one will be 4a plus b to the third. This one is for the 4 because it's 3, 4. So there's a plus b to the fourth. This one is 5. A plus b to the fifth. Because this one is to the fifth, we are going to use this horizontal row here. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. We have how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we have 5, we have 6. If we have square of binomial, we have 3 terms. Now, let us put now the a and b here. The literal coefficients. We start here. We start with the a. And that is 5. So here we have a, this one is 5. We'll do the descending order of exponent. So here we have a, descend, the minus 1 is a to the fourth. And then this one will be a cubed. 5, 4, 3. Therefore this one is a squared. And then this one is a to the first. That one is a to the 0. Okay. Now let's have the b. So 5, no, it's complete because that is 5. We have now the second term. This one, we need one b because this one is 4. Then we place b to the first. 4 plus 1, 5. Must be 5. Now this one is 3. To make it 5, we add squared. 3 plus 2, 5. This one is 2. So we add b, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Now this one is 1. So we have b to the fourth. 4 plus 1, 5. And last is this one. Okay, I'll put here b to the fifth. Alright. If this one is plus, they will all be plus, positive. But this one is minus, therefore it will be alternate positive and negative. So the first term is positive, this one, because this one is positive. The second one will be negative. The third one will be positive here. This one will be negative. This one will be positive. And the last term will be negative. Why? Because we have negative to the fifth power. An odd number is negative. So we have this formula to expand this one. So what is A here and what is B? Our A here is 2x. Our B here is 3y. Okay, so we are going to put here that one now. So let's have first this one, 1. So I'm going to put here equals 1. Okay, no problem. Do not put any more than 1. A. What is A? A is 2x. So we have 2x. What are we going to do with the 2x? Raised to the fifth. So this one is to the fifth. Followed by minus. So we have minus and you have the 5 there. Times A. What is A again? 2x. So we have 2x and we are going to raise it to the fourth power. Okay. And now we are going to introduce the B. So B is 3y. So we write here 3y. To the first. 1 plus 4. Okay, 5. So we're done with the first one, second one, okay, third one, plus. We have the 10 here, and then the A, which is 2x. Where is that one to the third power? Times the B, which is 3y. So we have 3y. To the second power. So done. Minus, we have minus 10. We copy the 10 here. A, what is A? 2x. We have 2x to the second power. B is 3y. To the third power, okay, plus, okay, plus, we're done with this, okay. Now we have minus, we have plus, so we're here, 5. We write the 5 here. What is A? It's 2x. To the first power only. Now let's have our B. It says 3y. And this one is to the fourth power, minus, minus, and this one is for B only, which is 3y raised to the fifth power. Okay. Okay, let us now multiply. So we have here 2 to the 5th. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So this one is 32 x to the 5th minus, here you can multiply 5 and 3y. So 5 times 3y is 15. We have y here, and then this one 2x to the 4th. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 16 here, x to the 4th. Here, this one. Plus, let us write first the 10 here, times 2x cubed. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8 x to the 3rd times 3y squared is 3 times 3 is 9, and then y times y is y squared. Okay, check 5, 1 plus 4, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, minus, so we have minus 10 here, 2x to the 2nd. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is squared. And this one, 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27y cubed. Okay, let's have the plus here, plus. We can multiply 5 and 2x here. 5 times 2x is 10x. Then 3y to the 4th. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3, 27. Times 3 is 81. So this one is 81 y to the 4th. Minus the last one, 3 to the 5th. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81 times 3 is 243. Y to the 5th. Okay. Now let us multiply again. Equals 32 is still 32 x to the 5th. Minus, it's minus. So 15 times 16 is 240. 240, let us first have the x and then y. And then we have 9 times 8 is 72 times 10 is 720. So it's plus 720 x cubed y is squared. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus, you have that minus there. So you have 10 times 4 is 40. 40 times 27 is 1080. X squared y cubed plus 10 times 81 is 810. So 810, and then we have x y to the 4th. And finally, copy the last one, minus 243 y to the 5th. And that is our answer to expand 2x minus 3y to the 5th power. Sometimes the question is, you're not going to expand anymore, but they are going to ask you what is, for example, what is the 4th term of this binomial, fourth term. So the fourth term here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that you just copy this one, minus 10, and then a squared b cubed. And then put the minus, and then the 10, and then the a is 2x squared times 3y cubed. And then finally, it will be here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And your answer is only minus 1080 x squared y cubed without computing all the terms of our binomial.